of reality to hold. Taking back the rest of me like the way you had of me. Not afraid now you can see